friends, welcome back to another virtual craft program. Today we are making a DIY lava lamp. Do you guys know what a lava lamp is? I'm sure your parents do, so if you don't know what it is, ask them all about their memories of one. So all you need to make this really cool lamp is a empty water bottle, and then you want to make sure that you take the wrapper off of it so it's all clear. You need some food coloring. This one we made with red, but I think we needed blue this time. You need some water, and then you need some vegetable oil, and then you also need a few Alka-Seltzer tablets, and then a funnel. And it would probably be smart to have some paper towels around because it's a little messy. All right, now that we have all our things, let's get started with our craft. All right, first thing is you want to take your empty water bottle, and we're going to put our funnel in it, and then we're going to fill about 2/3 full of water, so roughly about there. So let's do that. And this is very thick, and it does tend to get everywhere. So just be very careful when you're pulling. Maybe have someone come and help you. Maybe hold on to the water bottle while you're pouring the vegetable oil. So I'm going to pour this in. About 2/3. Let's see. Nope, still got a little way to go. Alright, about there. That might have been a little too much, but that's okay. So it uses almost all of this bottle. Alright, now I'm going to fill the remainder of the bottle with water, and you want to leave a little bit of room at the top. This one I left about, I don't know, maybe 1/2 inch at the top. So let's go ahead and fill it with water. And what you're going to notice is that the water is going to go below the oil. Can you see the oil all floated to the top? So I'm going to fill a little more water. A little more. Alright, I'm going to just add a few more drops. Alright. So you can see the water's all at the bottom and the oil's all at the top, and that is because oil and water doesn't mix. And the water is heavier than the oil on the top, and that's why it's at the bottom. Alright, so I'm going to carefully take my funnel out, dry it off, and then is the fun part. We're going to add some color. So we're going to add some blue, and it only takes a few drops. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm doing 4 because it's my lucky number, but you can do as many as you would like. Alright. So now I'm going to take a straw to stir it because it's long enough to fit down there, and I don't care if the straw gets dirty. So I'm going to stir it. Let's add a few more drops of color. Let's let it drip down to the bottom. It's going a little slow. There we go. Slowly going down to the water. This is also heavier than the oil, so it won't mix with it. It'll just mix with the water. All right, stir it up. There we go. It's nice and blue. Carefully put the straw over here. All right, so now we're going to take our Alka-Seltzer tablet, and they're pretty big. About that size of quarter. And then we're going to cut it into, or break it into 4 pieces. All right, and then one at a time, we're gonna put it into the water bottle and we'll see what happens. See the bubbles start to rise? Let's put another one in. All right, we're getting a lot more. That's 3. We're gonna put our last one in, the biggest piece. There we go. And look, all the bubbles start to rise. Looks just like this one. So pretty cool, huh? So Why do you guys think this happens? Does anyone have any guesses? So the reason why is that when you drop in the Alka-Seltzer, it drops all the way to the bottom and it starts dissolving, just making some of these bubbles. And as it dissolves, it forms a gas, which rises to the top, and it takes a little bit of the colored water with it. And then, as the gas bubble breaks on the surface, the colored water starts to sink back down, which is making this cool lava lamp effect. And the nice thing about this is every time you drop in another tab of the Alka-Seltzer, it'll do this. So you can put this away for a few days, come back, add another tablet, and this will happen again. And once you put your lid on it, and you want to make sure you close it tightly so it doesn't go anywhere, it moves all colors around. But the water will always go to the bottom and the oil will always go to the top. All right, thank you for joining me for another virtual craft. I hope you enjoyed this one, and we hope to see you in our next one. Bye.